Welcome to Read Along Kids!
Hey there, Read Along Kids. Welcome back to another amazing adventure. Today's story is called Peppa Pig, George's Race Car. Peppa and George are visiting their grandparents. They've done all kinds of things, like going sailing, play with a robot toy, visit the dinosaur museum, and feed chickens. Now Daddy Pig has arrived, and they are watching television together. Vroom, vroom! There's a race car show playing. Brum, says George. He wants to play race car. That gives Grandpa Pig an idea. Let's build George a race car, he says. They arrive at his shed. Together, they collect items to build George's race car. It is hard work. What's your favorite number, George? Asks Daddy Pig. George replies. Since there were 2 snorts, Daddy Pig paints a big 2 on the car. Now it is complete. Along come Danny, Zoe, and Pedro. We'll race you 3 times around the garden, George, Danny says. Peppa holds up the checkered flag. 3, 2, 1, go, she says. George is speedy. He wins the first lap. Then he wins the second. But will he win the third? Uh-oh, one of the race car wheels has broken off. George is stuck. Don't worry, George, says Peppa. I'm the chief mechanic. I can fix it. Peppa repairs the race car wheel, but now George is last. He feels sad. Peppa knows that George will never win while he is upset. So she invites Granny Pig outside. Granny Pig has an idea. She will cheer him on. Go, George, go! Granny Pig cheers. Zoom! The plan works, and George takes the lead. He races across the finish line. Peppa leaps up in the air. George did it! He won the race. Well done, George, says Peppa. You're the best race car driver in the whole world. And you've got the best chief mechanic in the whole world, too, adds Daddy Pig. Yes, that's me, says Peppa. Peppa loves race cars. Everyone loves race cars. The end. Thanks for listening, Read Along Kids. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more great read-along fun. Until next time, bye-bye.